Hey there, this is Jojo from Seven Flame Healings and astrojo.com with your Astrosonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And in this vibrational astrology sound activation, we're celebrating the Aquarius Full Moon at the auspicious time of 5:55 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on August the 9th. This lunation is opposite the sun, as always. Where are we? The sun in Leo. So, and it aligns with the asteroid Pallas Athena, trine Ceres. It's in a quincunx or an inconjunct, same thing, different word, with Venus-Jupiter conjunction. And it's also square Vesta-Juno conjunction. So if you'd like to stick around, we'll explore the depths of these cosmic alignments, and followed by a special planetary tuning fork session designed to attune your energy to Aquarius's visionary freedom. But first, we'll just have a look at the aspects that are involved. So the moon is in Aquarius, so I'm using Uranus to represent Aquarius, being the ruling planet of Aquarius. And it's opposite the sun, which is why we have the full moon in the opposition from the sun to the moon. And it's in Leo, the sun. So, and this eliminates the tension between individuality and self-expression. So it's urging a balance between your inner world and your outer spotlight. So, and the moon is also in a conjunction with Pallas Athena, which is in Aquarius. So it sharpens strategic intuition and creative problem solving. So it's inviting you to heal through inventive insights. And moon is also trining Ceres, and this is nourishes emotional well-being via communication and sibling bonds and the nourishment of ideas. Moon is also in an inconjunct, or quincunx, the Venus-Jupiter conjunction, and this calls for an adjustments in love, pleasure, expansion, and fine-tuning where you give and where you grow. And moon is also square Vesta in the Juno conjunction, and this stirs devotion versus partnership. It's spotlighting where your vows and values may need realignment. And so it's aligned with these frequencies of these planetary forces, and we'll call in the moon, Uranus, Sun, Pallas, Athena, Ceres, Venus, Jupiter, Vesta, and Juno, tuning forks, all here, to harmonize your energy field. And so join me on this sacred sound journey, just allowing your mind and your body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. Just taking in a deep breath and release. And another deep breath. Just letting go, releasing, sinking, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequencies of the spheres. And the affirmation for this full moon in Aquarius is, I release what no longer serves me and step into collective wisdom. I release what no longer serves me and step into collective wisdom. Just take a moment to integrate these planetary energies, feeling the balance and the harmony within. And if you would like your own personal planetary tuning fork sound alignment, which is made specifically to your natal chart or the current transits, check out the links in the description or visit astrology.com to begin your journey into cosmic resonance and inner harmony. And if you'd like to explore my frequency imprinted energy pendants, they're all handmade and individually imprinted. Coil is a Tesla coil, biphilic coil cut to the sacred cubit length and hand wound in a specific way to draw energy into the body. It's imprinted with EMF protection, and the holographic vinyl, which is inside this pendant, is also imprinted with frequencies for spiritual protection, chakra balance, meridian alignments, and all the nadis, and the biofield, and Taurus field, and connection to source, and there's lots more information on 7thplanehealings.com. So you'll find more about the healing aspect on 7th Plane Healings, and on astrology.com be a lot more astrologically inclined, where we do more of the tuning, more information there, blogs, newsletters, more about astrology and the planetary tunings. So thanks for watching once again. I do appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe, sign up for whichever newsletter you'd like to get more information from. I am expanding slowly. It's taken a little while, but I'll be adding more products to the astrology.com, and I'll explore more on the healing aspects with tuning forks and the energy field, or maybe some distant healing through this medium. So thanks again, and let's tune into the universe together.